What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna help you change your country location on YouTube. It's super easy to do. My name is Alec and I've been running many different YouTube channels for many years, and today I'm gonna give you some awesome tips. You just have to go to youtube.com, and then in the top corner right here, you just click on your profile picture and then you go to the bottom to location. As you can see here, I have set my location to Germany, but if you click on it, you can change your location and set it to anything that you like. So let me show you again. You just go to youtube.com, you click on the top right in your profile picture, you just scroll a little bit down and you will find location. Me, I'm set it to Germany, but you can click on it and then change it again to whatever you'd like. And then you can change your location right here. It's super easy, super fast, super quick to do. I hope this tip was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching this video today with me, and click right here for more YouTube tips, and I will see you there in this next video. Bye bye.